Ladies and gentlemen, before we start the presentation later, I would like to ask you to change the mode of your gadget into silence. Let's do it together. Thank you, the Honorable Miss Desi Nurmulyani Sari as an English lecturer, and the Honorable Miss Madam Speakers, distinguished guests, fellow students, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to welcome you to all the first prestigious seminar about antenatal care, held by the student executive body of Faculty of Midwife, Aisyah University. In this occasion, we shall have outstanding presentation from our prominent presentation whom I believe enrich our insight and knowledge regarding the theme of this seminar. Before the presentation begins, allow me to introduce the presenters. Our presenter is Dewi from Faculty of Midwife. Our second presenter is Ines Septian. Our third, our third presentation is Dewi Aryani. Our fourth presentation is Fitriatul Anwaroh. And our last but definitely not least presenter is Anissa Ayudia. Without further ado, I want to welcome our first presenter. She will deliver a presentation and solid definition of antenatal care. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Dewi Aryani. The floor is yours, with a presentation time of 5 minutes starting from now.
Okay, thank you very much. This definition of antenatal care examination, NINC, and pregnancy check to often miss the mental or physical health of pregnant women, so that a belt to deal with childbirth during childbirth, pregnancy, preparing prepares the best spring, best buildings, and the return to normal reproductive health. First, antenatal care, ANC, is the first is a visit of pregnant woman to a midwife or doctor is really and the possible signs she felt herself pregnant to get antenatal care or care.
Let's give once again a big round of applause for Miss Dewi Aryani. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our second presenter. She will deliver a presentation entitled about the frequency of antenatal care. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Ines Septian. The floor is yours.
Okay, the frequency of antenatal care. One time before the 4 months of pregnancy, one time on around 6 months of pregnancy, twice around 9 months of pregnancy, uh, to determine the relationship between the frequency of antenatal care, uh, visit as a whole and each trimester with neonatal mortality. Pregnant women who had more antenatal care visit experience a lower rate of neonatal mortality and more benefit in the last trimester. the eggs the earth egg the 0 to 1 visit group where where 0.76 or 95% 0.45 to 1.29. For two visit group 0.5 for or 95%. 0.33 to 0.87 for three visit group and 0.31 or 95%, 0.17 to 0.57. Uh, individual or as a whole period were not significant, but decline markedly visit or more.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our third presenter. She will deliver a presentation entitled about who does the antenatal care. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Dewi Aryani. The floor is yours.
Okay, thank you very much. Who does the antenatal care? The first, OBGYN or OBGYN. The second, midwife. Okay, thank you.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our fourth presenters. She will deliver a presentation entitled about why antenatal care is important. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Fitriatu Anwaru.
Thank you for moderator. Why antenatal care is important? Because first, with antenatal care, you can monitor the progress of pregnancy to make sure the health of the mother and the baby. Because the mother and the baby must always be healthy. Otherwise, it will automatically give effect the baby's growth during pregnancy. Second is to improve and maintain the physical, mental, and social health of mother and the baby. You have to make sure that pregnant woman is not stressed or being depressed. If it happens, you as a husband or you all as a family have to support her or comfort her. The third is recognizing early on any abnormalities or complication that may occur during pregnancy by doing an ultrasound examination, or we call it USG, or with a blood test to find any abnormalities as soon as possible. If there are abnormalities, it must be treated immediately. And then for preparing for labor, which means the mother will give birth without difficulty and will give birth more safely. And the babies are born healthy too, with minimal trauma. And the last is preparing the role of mother and family in receiving the birth of a baby so that it can grow and develop normally. That's it. Thank you.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our 5% presenters. She will deliver a presentation entitled about examination for performance. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Nisa Ayu.
Examination performed during each antenatal visit. Number one, weigh your weight and measure the circumference of the upper arm. And number three, measure or measure blood and measure height uterine fundus. And determine the fetal presentation and fetal heart rate. And giving immunization, tetanus toxoid, administration of iron tablets, minimum of 90 tablets during pregnancy. And laboratory test syphilis, hepatitis B, and HIV, test for sexually transmitted disease, and top meeting inflammation for referral and case management. Thank you.
Thank you so much for all presenters for their informative and interesting talk. The conclusion of the presentation above is antenatal care is pregnancy checks to optimize the mental and physical of pregnant women, which antenatal care helps to cope with childbirth during childbirth, preparation for breastfeeding, and reproductive health. Okay. Pregnant women can visit antenatal care from the age of 8 to 12 weeks by visiting midwife or OBGYN. Antenatal care is very important because we can see the development of the fetus from time to time. The recognize as early as possible any abnormalities or complication that might occur during pregnancy. Prepare for childbirth and prepare the role of mother and families in receiving the birth of baby so that it can grow and develop normally. Examination performed when visiting antenatal care include measuring blood pressure, measuring the fetus height, giving iron tablets, and others. Ladies and gentlemen, finally we come to the end presentation. We would like to say thanks again for all the presenters for their informative and interesting talk, and audience for your active participation. Hopefully, presentation will be beneficial for everybody. Thank you for your attention. Good morning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.